What is the most like elite thing you've done? This like last 12 months.
I think the most elite, glamorous thing I've done is wear this ridiculous gown. Because where else do you wear this?
She a freak in the sheets.
Pleasure seeing you. You know, I'm doing some interviews from. Oh, I like that. Thank you so much. I thought you were giving me a massage real quick. This is great. No. This is your night. You
That's
deserve
right.
a massage, right?
Especially after holding this dress up, it's like 5 pounds.
It's fun.
It's pulling. It's pulling. It's heavy. And
pulling.
then like it's okay though.
Well,
For the.
what material is this? What
I
is
have no
this?
idea, but it's amazing.
Oh wow, it's nice.
Thank you.
Great. Okay, so you've come to a lot of these awards. What's your favorite part about awards and XMAs and all that?
My favorite part is the table you sit at,
Oh,
right?
really?
Because it's always everybody goes to visit everybody at the tables, and if you sit at the right table, everybody will come to you.
Oh, and what table are people coming to tonight?
Oh man, I would say any table that has a prominent male talent because all the girls want to come say hi.
Is that what it is? And is the most prominent? Would you say maybe Girthmaster this year, or who would you say?
For sure. I mean, we have so many great male talent in this industry that there are some that just like tried and true. Seth Gamble, Girthmaster, like those people are always going to have a line of people. So all you have to do is just sit and wait for them to come by, and then you can say hi too.
Ah, you really know the tricks of the
It's
trade.
been about 10 years for me coming to these things, so you'll figure it out.
Wow, that's smart. Wow,
I
that's
really
good.
like this. We can do like so many poses.
Oh yeah, we can do all the poses. We can switch sides. This is,
We can do, like,
oh yeah, prom pose. Hey, how's it going, guys? This is great. Sensational. This is good. And so I have to ask you this. So what is the most like elite thing you've done? This like last 12 months, like something glamorous, something fun, something elite.
I think the most elite, glamorous thing I've done is wear this ridiculous gown. Because where else do you wear this kind of dress if not this red carpet? And unfortunately, this is probably like its only wear, right? Like it's
think?
pretty unique.
Oh, this is great.
Yeah, this is probably the most glamorous.
This is good.
The rest of the time was spent hard working in those scenes and crying and tapping into emotion.
Wow, that's great. We gotta dive into that at some point in time. Where do you want people to find you?
You can find everything Lexi at iwantlexi.com.
And I'm Javi Mack with Kiss and Tell. Thanks for watching. Javi!